So here we will see the experiment for creation of binary search tree and performing the non-recursive in-order traversal. So what is our objective? That is to create the binary search tree first, and after creating the binary search tree we will be doing the traversing using in-order traversal. We have already seen in-order, pre-order, post-order in the theoretical part. We will be implementing the in-order traversal. So first, what is binary tree? So binary tree is nothing but a data structure in which each node has at most two children, which are nothing but the left child and right child of that particular node. So the binary tree is an important type of structure. The binary tree can be complete binary tree or binary tree. So if it is binary tree, it will have either 0 or 2 child nodes. If it is complete full binary tree, then each and every node will have exact 2 child nodes. So there will be no node with degree greater than 2. So for the binary trees, we will be distinguishing between the subtree on the left and on the right. So the binary tree is a finite set of nodes which is either empty or consists of root and two disjoint binary trees called left subtree and right subtree. So the binary search tree, sometimes called as the ordered and the sorted binary trees, are a class of data structures, and we are generally using them for the lookup tables. So here in the binary search tree, they are storing the data items which are called as keys, and we can insert and delete these keys by checking the key is present in a tree or not. So binary search trees are keeping the keys in sorted order so that we can have easy lookup over there. So whenever we are trying to insert the new key, we have to traverse the tree from root node to leaf node, where we will be doing the comparisons to the keys that are stored in the nodes. On average, each comparison allows the operation to skip over half of the tree. So by using this particular rules, it is easy to create the binary search tree and to find out the particular node in the binary search tree. So see here, this is the example of binary search tree of size 9, depth 3, with root node is 8 and the leaf nodes are 1, 4, 7 and 13. In binary search tree, always the left node is greater than the the left node is less than the root node, and the right node is greater than the root node. So the binary search tree is a node based binary data structure in which we will be doing the comparison of keys so that we can find out the left and the right child nodes, or the subtrees we can say. So the properties are: one node is designated as root of the tree, that is applicable for each and every tree. Each internal node contains the key. The leaf nodes of tree can contain no key because that is the leaf node. Each subtree is itself a binary search tree because it is having either 2 child nodes or 0 child node. The left subtree of node contains only nodes which are less than the root node. Right subtree contains only nodes which are greater than the root node. The operations that are performed on the binary tree are creation, insertion of node, deletion of node and traversal of tree. Traversal means visiting each and every node of your particular tree. So tree traversal is similar of graph traversal, where we are visiting the node in the particular data exactly once. The types are depth type first search, DFS, breadth first search, and pre-order, post-order, in order, that we have already covered in our theoretical part. So we used to have the traversing in the pre-order function, we used to have the traversing in the in-order function, and we used to have the traversing in the post-order. So we will be implementing in order over here. So for in order, we will be traversing the tree in particular in order format, where it will be info, left, right and root. So this procedure does an in order traversal. So for that, we will be first pushing null onto stack so that we can initialize the pointer. We will be setting the top of the particular stack, and then we will be inserting the particular node accordingly. So this particular a step will be repeated till all the nodes are inserted, and then we will be applying the in order traversal so that we can find out the traversal in order manner. So that is in order traversal. So for that, this is the particular template, and in this way we can create the binary search tree and we can implement the particular in order traversal. So now we will see. So see, this is the program for binary search tree operations. So as we have to create the tree, we have declared the structure. So the node will be there because the main parts are data, left child and right child. So these are the main parameters of our structure, that is data, that is the parent field, left child node and the right child node, that we have already declared. Then we will be declaring the particular root node. Then for location we will be declaring one more structure. So we have to check the root node that we have initialized at null level. We will be inserting the node. For that we have to make the connections. So we have taken current and previous as well. As we are allocating the particular node, so malloc is used so that we can insert that particular node. So here we will be inserting the node and we will be allocating the previous and current as well, so that it can be either at the left child node or at the right child node. So there we will be doing the comparison. If our particular data that is to be entered is greater than the root node, we will be inserting it at the right hand side. If it is less than the root node, we will be inserting it at the left hand side. So if we want to search the particular node, so we will first find out your particular tree is empty or not. We will be checking the root node location. Then we will be checking if the node to be searched is greater than the root node, we will search it at the right hand side. If it is less than the root node, we will be searching it at the left hand side. So same way for deletion, we can delete the particular element which is present at the left or at the right hand side. So in that way we can delete the particular element of that particular tree. The main function where the choices are there of inserting node, deleting node and displaying the tree. So if I want, I will be running it. Then see, I am inserting the node. So suppose 3 I have inserted, I am again inserting 9, I am inserting 7 and 5 and 3, and now I want to display it. So see, this is our binary search tree. In the left right format it is displayed. Now if I want to delete something, I want to delete the data 3, now I want to display it. So see, 3 is deleted. If I want to again delete the data 7, now I will be displaying. So 7 is already deleted from that particular tree. So this is creation of binary tree. Now for the in order tree traversal, this is the tree that we have already created. So in the in order manner we have to check that the particular nodes are there or not, and we have to follow the in order manner. So see, we are declaring the function of in order, and we will be checking the left node, right node, the information and the data. Accordingly we will be implementing the in order. We can implement the pre-order and post-order, but I have implemented the in order right now. And see, if I am running this particular program, now I want to enter the particular data, that is I am entering 7, then I am entering 9, I am entering 14, I am entering 6 and I am entering 5. Now so see, the in order traversal is already there. So we have traversed that particular tree in the in order manner. So in this way we can create the binary search tree, and we can do the tree traversal by using the in order, pre-order or post order according to our need. Thank you.